Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off lock screen depth effect on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, tap on settings. In the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on wallpaper. Then tap on customize button on the left hand panel here. Next, at the bottom, tap on the depth effect button, and from here you can choose between on and off. Now I said that in order for me to turn on the depth effect, I need to remove this battery icon, so I need to tap on that and remove that widget, and then tap on close, and then tap on this button here, the depth effect button, and from here I can choose between depth effect on or depth effect off. So select one of the button and then tap on done to save the changes, and that's it. So on my lock screen I can then now use the depth effect on my lock screen, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.